Hello my people, this is Katie and I'm here to do my recording of all the kids together. This is going to be the last time we see all of the kids together as a family, because I just got a call from a nice lady, and she says that she had a little girl that wanted to adopt one of the kittens. That kitten is Diamond. The little girl's going to adopt Diamond. In case if you don't know which one's Diamond, Diamond is the fully gray buff boy right over there. Yeah, right here. See? Right now they're all just eating their food together. And this is a video that's recorded on the Father's Day. To those who is watching on, to those of you people that are watching this on Father's Day, I just want to let you know, have a happy Father's Day while watching this. Pardon the noise, that was just Madra drinking her water. Madra is a golden retriever dog here. Hey Madra. Hey Yella, hey. Hello kitties, I really hope you enjoy your wonderful lives together, because all of you are going to your separate homes soon. It's really sad. I do love you all very much, and I know you all love each other so very much, and I'm sure all of you would never forget that.